see, I'm driving as usual. But anyways, I just got my hair did. I got my face groomed a bit. Hold up, y'all.
1 mile, the destination is on the right. Get out of here.
Okay. As you can see, I'm driving as usual. But yeah, I just got my hair done downtown San Antonio, near the Riverwalk. And so I'm like, hey, I've been there for a little minute. I'm hungry. So what am I gonna eat? So I Googled vegan restaurants near me. So I'm gonna try out Vegan Avenue. I'm about a few minutes away. I'm excited because I'm starving and I'm trying to stick to this diet. And I'm not gonna say diet, I'm trying to stick to this lifestyle change. I want to be healthy. I want to be more active. I just want to be around to enjoy this beautiful world. And so what is a better way to start, I guess with changing your diet. So yeah, I'm almost there, and yeah, let's see what it's about, because if you're in SA or San Antonio, maybe you can try this restaurant. Yeah, and I think it's gonna be pretty cool. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so when I go out or when I drink water, I drink room temp water with lemon. But I should have told her to give me this tea without ice. So I got the agave hibiscus tea. I love hibiscus. So yeah, that's gonna be my drink choice of the day. And I got the vegan nachos, which are coming really soon. And then I got a fajita flavored veggie bowl that I'm gonna take to go. And I also got a smoothie that I'm gonna take to go. So that'll be my food for today. But yeah. Hey guys, so this is the nachos. I love guacamole, pico de gallo. I haven't had cheese in a while, and tortilla chips. I haven't had anything other than rice, so no pasta or anything. But yeah, this is supposed to be vegan meat, and it looks like they have black beans there. Looks really good. OMG. All right, so let's take the first bite. Let's see. good, guys. It's pretty good. I need napkins. Yeah, the chips are extra good. They're crispy. You can tell they were fried. Maybe tortillas. The guacamole is very fresh. I love fresh guacamole because I think, well, I read that guacamole is good for the reproductive system. Yeah, it's good. Okay, let's try the vegan meat. I'll show y'all. Can y'all see it? Y'all, it's good. It kind of reminds me of have you ever eaten ranch style beans in a can? That's the flavor that it's giving me, and it mixed really good with everything. Yeah, this is definitely worth a try. Yeah. Jalapenos, let's see. Oh, that's spicy. Not too bad. I feel like jalapenos get your blood rushing, so it's good to eat every now and then. I like how the cheese is not too thick. It's kind of like a runny, like queso type cheese, not sprinkle cheese. So yeah. I will definitely come back here again. Okay, now I see the napkin, y'all. Well, let's try this tea. Y'all, I haven't had a sugary drink in a minute, so yeah, it's extra sweet. I'm definitely gonna have to mix it with my water, but it's good. I recommend it for sure. But for me, like, if you drink sweets, you know, if you drink your calories, yeah, go ahead for that. But for me, no. You do have more veggies than anything on here. Whatever that supposedly meat's supposed to be, or tofu or whatever, they only give you like a tablespoon, literally. It's not that much. but it's cool. It really works out for real. This looks good. You have to have color in your food. So good. No fly. Again, this is Vegan Avenue. I believe that I saw this dish for 12 bucks, which is reasonable. And worth it for sure. I would love to see how it looks at night with the lights and all of that. Okay, so I got this vegan fajita flavored bowl for later. I should have told them to like separate the guacamole and all of that because that looks really weird. But yeah, who knows? I might eat it. I might not because of the way it looks. But yeah, and then I got a smoothie to go. I'm not hungry right now, but about time I go to the bank and make one more stop, that smoothie will be ready to go. It's already melting, but it's still kind of thick. So yeah, within an hour I'm gonna go ahead and drink that down, then I'll eat this for dinner. But yeah, you guys, this is it. Yeah.